Hi guys, it's Sany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a very simple and easy DIY to add backings to your stamping plates that don't have any, so that you do not slice your fingers while working with them with their sharp edges. So I'll be showing you two simple ways today. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first method that I will be showing you today is by using a plastic placemat that you can buy from a dollar store and some two-way tape to stick the mat to the back of your plate. You can also use carpet tape to stick the mat to the back of your plate. Also, you will need some scissors, some X-Acto knife, and a pen. Also, it is good to have a ruler handy, so that if you need to measure anything, you can use that. And also use something to protect the surface you will be working on. So here I am using a piece of vinyl that is a leftover from the flooring of my house. So yeah, let's begin. So what we need to do is take our placemat and the stamping plate, put it over the placemat, draw an outline of the plate, cut it with a pair of scissors, and then stick it to the back of your plate. Also, if you want to replicate the backing like the ones that come with the Bon Petit plates, you can use this plate to outline the backing so that you can get the extra edge. If you don't have any plate with a backing on already, what you can do is while outlining the plate, so while cutting the outline of the plate, you can just leave extra edges so that you can have some space on all the sides. So today I'll be using this plate to draw my outline. So yeah, let's get going. Now that we have our backing ready, we will take our two-way tape and stick it to the back of our stamping plate, covering it completely. You can use an X-Acto knife to clean and cut off the extra tape as close to the edge of the plate as possible. But while doing this, be very careful so that you do not cut yourself or even scratch the stamping plate. Once you are done with applying the tape to the back of your stamping plate, remove the backing and then stick the stamping plate to the placemat piece that you have cut out. I feel this backing is a little bigger than needed for this plate, so I will be leaving some extra space towards one edge so that I can cut off a little bit more. So yeah. So once you stick the plate to the backing, the tape is very strong, so it's almost impossible to peel it off. So just go slow and line it carefully with your backing so that once it is attached, you do not have to remove it. Go really slow. And once you are happy, press it well so that it's nicely stuck to the plate. So yeah, let's trim off a little bit. So yeah, I will leave it at that. And so now, yeah, this plate has a backing on and it's safe for use. So you can do this on plates of any shape. So I have done it on the rectangular ones, the square ones, and also the round ones. And for the round ones, I have not left any edges, and I have just outlined the circle and cut it without leaving any extras. So yeah, this is method number 1, using a plastic placemat. Make sure you use a plastic placemat so that while cleaning the plates with acetone, it remains as it is. I have used the plates with plastic backings on, the ones that I have put on, and I have used it multiple times and they have not come off or worn off or anything, so they are still as it is. Some placemats with prints on, like this one, may sometimes the prints may sometimes come off, but nothing happens to the backing itself. So yeah, the second way to add backings to your plates is by using the shelf liners with sticky backs. It's the same way it is done. That is, you outline the plate and stick it to your plate and then cut along the outlines. So this method is really very quick, easy, and beginner friendly. So what you can do is you can take a piece of the shelf liner, put the plate on the back side of the sheet, draw an outline, cut the extras, and then peel off the backing and then stick it to your plate. But what I like to do to make it a little more easier is like take the pieces that will be sufficient to cover the plate, then peel off the backing, stick it to the plate, and then cut off the extras. And there you have it. So I'm good with just one layer of the sticky sheet. I don't feel the sharp edges much. If you're still not happy, you can obviously add more layers to this. So yeah, there you have it. Nowadays you do get ready-made backends for your stamping plates, but yeah, the DIYs are much more affordable, quick, easy, and I think it's also fun. So if you did like this video and found it to be useful, do remember to drop a like, leave a comment, and share this video. Also, please do subscribe to my channel because it helps me gain more confidence and create more useful videos for you. So yeah, until next time, take care of yourself and I shall see you soon. Bye.